This is a story of a boy who cried wolf. Once, there lived a boy named Peter in the village on the hillside. Most of the people were sheep farmers. One day, Peter started to take care of the sheep. At first, it was okay for him. But then, he was getting bored of looking after the sheep. So, he found something to do to amuse himself. He ran away. But still, he easily get bored. Then, he got an idea. He climbed on the tree and shout towards the village. Woof! 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 The villagers heard Peter shout and immediately get a hold of anything that they could use as a weapon and went to chase away the wolf. Of course, when the villagers got there, they only found Peter on the tree laughing towards them. They feel very angry and annoyed with him. For a while, things went again normally and people forget about the incident. Peter managed to behave himself. But it did not last. One day, he was again bored. So he picked up some stick and running to the sheep. He started hitting the stick together while shouting, "Woof! Woof! Woof!" Sure enough, the villagers heard it and come to chase away the wolf. Imagine what they felt. When they come, Peter was laughing around. Then, one afternoon, Peter felt very strange. The sheep was nervous and started to running around. Peter was confused and worried about what was happening. So, he climbed up the tree so he could see what is going on. And what he saw really was a bad sight. He saw a big bad wolf coming chasing after the sheep, just after the sheep and biting them. For a while, Peter was speechless. Then he started shouting for help. "Wolf! Wolf! Wolf!"
Villagers heard his shouting, but none of them came to help. They took that Peter were making trouble again and decided not to care of Peter's shouting.
Peter was left alone, watching the sheep got eaten by the wolf. Much later, at that afternoon, the villagers wondered what Peter has not come back, so they went to check him. They were very surprised what they saw.
At last, Peter learned his lesson, that if you always tell lies, people will eventually stop believing you. And then, when you're telling the truth for a change, when you really need them to believe you, they won't.